And here's the easiest way to embed Google Forms in WordPress website. First of all, go to docs.google.com and here click on the form that you want to embed to your WordPress website. Once you selected the form, now you can go ahead and customize or edit the form. And now all you have to need, click on send and here select embed. And now we can see the form width and height. In order to change your form width, you can change it from here. And now you can also change your form height as well. Now just copy these iframe or embed codes. So press copy and your Google form embed code will copy. Now go to your WordPress admin dashboard and edit the post or page where you want to embed Google form. Once you are in editor, click on this plus icon to add a new block and here add custom HTML block. Here you have to paste your Google Forms embed code and now click on save and let's view this post. And that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully embedded my Google form in my WordPress website. Go to your editor and from here you can also edit or change your form width and height as well. Thanks for watching.